Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can apply a soft edge effect to glowing objects in your presentations on LibreOffice Impress. So let us dive into this. So guys, in the first step you will need to insert a shape. Let me go for a standard rectangle and add it to that presentation slide here. As you can see, it doesn't feature any soft edge effect nor any glow. To apply a glowing effect, navigate to the item's properties in the top right corner, or use the shortcut Alt-1. And here expand the Effect tab and apply a glowing effect by clicking into the color, by setting a radius first, of course, in PT, and then by selecting a color, and you will see the effect here to the right. So if you'd like to customize the soft edge effect here and the transparency, use these up and down arrows and you will see the live preview here to the left of the soft edge effect, the transparency of the glowing effect, and the glowing intensity as well, and the radius. And that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got something from it, and we catch you later.